I know, I said Saturday, but my electricity went out just a little bit, and I was afraid it'd be doing that all day. Then, still not feeling all that great. Feel a little bit better today, so if you said a little prayer for me yesterday, I appreciate it. Feeling a little bit better, though. Um, just started coughing. So here we go. I'm going to write the steps to do this problem here and actually do the problem on this side. So this is solving when you have variables on both sides. I don't know why that when I do solving with variables on one side, people have no trouble. But as soon as I put another variable on the other side, that's when people fall apart. So the first step is we want to simplify both sides. So you want to get the fewest terms on both sides you can. So I'm going to distribute the 5x minus 15 minus the 3x. And I want to simplify inside the absolute value. So it'd be 4x plus the absolute value of 3 minus 7 is negative 4. Then I can simplify this more. 5x minus 3x. It's on the same side, so you don't change any of the signs. Just combine it. 5x minus 3x is 2x minus 15. Then the absolute value negative 4 is plus 4. Then you want to get the variables to one side. So get the variables so they're all on one side. And that's going to always involve adding or subtracting. Always. So let's see. I'm going to get rid of the 2x just because it's smaller. 2 smaller. So I do the reverse. So 2x minus 2x is 0. It would be gone. But I can only do that if I also do that on this side, the other side. So I'd have minus 15 equals 2x plus 4. Now I want to get the constant. Now constant means just a number. It doesn't have a variable with it. By itself. Or to the other side, if you want to say it that way. And that would involve adding or subtracting. So I got to get the plus 4, get rid of it, so the 2x is by itself. So I'm going to subtract 4 because 4 minus 4 is 0. But I can only do that if I do that to the other side. Now you want to get a 1 times the variable. Get 1 times the variable. So that's going to always involve multiplying. In computer language, asterisk is multiplication or division. So I have 2x. I want to do the reverse or the other operation to turn it into 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that'd be x equals a negative 19 over 2. Now, if it's nice numbers to check, you just put it into the x of the original problem. But to be honest, during the test, you really don't have time to put it in most times to check it. Okay, there's 2 problems right there. Not a lot of stuff to simplify, but go ahead and try both problems, and then, of course, I will do it. So just turn me off or do them. Well, write them down, turn it off, and then I'll go back on. Okay, good, you're back. So I'm going to get rid of the 2x, so that would be 2x plus 6 equals 10. Now we want to get the constant by itself, or the variable by itself. You could say it that way, 2. So subtract 6, and then I want a 1 times the variable. And then you could check that one. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 6 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 10 is 14. Yes. So this one, I'm going to get rid of the 3x. So I'm going to subtract it. So 3x minus 3x is 0. So it'll be 4 equals 2x minus 10. Now I want to get the variable by itself or get the constant by itself on the other side. So I would add 10. Always do the reverse. minus 10 plus 10 is 0, so 14 equals 2x. So x equals 7 when you divide by 2. Here's 4 problems. Go ahead and do them, and then I will do them. Okay, well, welcome back. I'm going to distribute the 3. That's 3x minus 12 equal x minus 6. I'm going to get rid of the x, get all the variables to the left. So that'd be 2x minus 12 equals negative 6. Now I'm going to add 12 to both sides. So that would be plus 12. So that'd be 2x equals 6. And then divide by do-si-do. Oh, I said do-si-do. Hee 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 hee. So now I'm going to simplify. X and x is 2x. 4 plus 6 is 10. Then I'm going to subtract 2x to get all the x's on the right. So I'd have 10 equals 2x minus 20. Let's bring it up there a little bit. Hard to see. So now I'm going to add 20 to get all the constants, the terms without the variables, on the left. Now I'm going to get a 1x divided by 2. So x equals 15, or 15 equals x. Woohoo! Okay, now we got a little bit harder problem, so I'm going to distribute the half. So that would be 2x minus 5. Remember, if you multiply by a number between 0 and 1, get smaller. Smaller. Equals 4x. So I'm going to subtract 2x to get all the x's to the right. So minus 5 equals 2x. So I'm going to divide by 2. Doing this kind of quick now. Hoo-hoo, I'm on fire. Wait, I think that's a song, isn't it? I'm on fire. Hoo-hoo. Oh no, I have a fraction. Should I erase everything and throw it away? No, fractions are fine. Fractions are our friends. Of course, like our friends, we don't always want to be around them, but fractions are our friends. Distribute the 3. Okay, now I'm going to combine the x's, so it'd be 2x minus 6, x plus 6. So I'm going to subtract x. So x minus 6 equals 6. Now I'm going to add 6. Woohoo! X equals 12. Well, that wasn't too bad. Now, I didn't give you that many problems because I know it's Sunday morning. So 7 little problems that, to be honest, should take you about 10 minutes. So do these problems for me really quick from the book. And then, hey, have a good day. Why don't you just grab the Bible, open it up, and read the first 4 verses you see. Have a good day. Bye-bye.